So I'm also going to be adding some castor oil at this point. Castor oil helps to promote hair growth. It also helps to moisturize dry hair. It strengthens thin hair. It also helps to prevent hair breakages as well. It also helps to heal and prevent split ends. As you can see, castor oil is very thick. Now I'm going to be introducing my water face into this. Now I'm going to be introducing my aloe vera gel. Like I said, guys, this container won't take everything. So once I'm done mixing this, I'm going to split it into two, then start to mix. I'm going to let it cool a bit before I do the final mixing. But for now, I'm going to split it in two, then let it cool a bit before I do my final mixing and add the rest of my product. So now I'm going to split it in two. So like I said, I'm going to let it sit a bit. I want it to cool before I do my final mixing and add the rest of my essential oils and preservatives. So this is what this butter is looking like. I left it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. So now I'm going to proceed to mixing before adding the rest of my essential oils and my preservative and fragrance as well, if you're not comfortable with the smell you have. So yeah, let's mix a bit before we add the rest of the product. First, I'm going to be adding my tea tree oil. Next, I'm going to be adding my peppermint oil, my mint oil. Then I'm going to be adding my lavender oil. And so I'm going to be adding some local fragrance to mine. All these steps are optional, guys, but do not forget to add your preservative. That is very important because there's water in this mixture. I'm using 2 preservatives here. You can use just one. I'm going to mix for a few more minutes before I pack everything together. Guys, so this is what our butter is looking like. Can you see how creamy this is looking? Like I said, guys, this is a conditioning butter. This will help soften your hair, add moisture because it has water and aloe vera. This will also help to strengthen your hair strands, treat dandruff, treat itchy scalp. It's going to help you have a healthy hair growth. You're going to end up with the healthy hair, guys. I'm sure you guys can tell from my hair that I have a healthy hair. At least that's what I think, except if you think otherwise, but I think my hair is pretty healthy. So this butter is going to give you all of that. It has water, it has aloe vera, it has your infused herbs. And I'm going to be packing them in this 250 ml jar.